Lesson 6. I'm going to get in before John. We do have 7. Yes, so this is our second last presenter. And this, admittedly, this particular observation is talking much more to the Citrix people in the audience rather than everyone else, but it's probably true for other organisations as well. We learnt that there's tremendous entrepreneurial resources inside Citrix all over the world who are not being used in that way today. This is our second entrepreneurial team. They, like the other ones, have put in tremendous numbers of hours, tremendous efforts to bring this project to fruition. And there's, I guess, enormous power in bringing that sort of strength out and building it, giving it an outlet, if you like. So, I'd like to introduce, and it's actually a pleasure to introduce, Marta and Thor for CubeFree.
Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes.
Welcome to CubeFree.
Your office anywhere without a cubicle.
We are a Citrix internal team. I'm Marta Guerra.
So-called CEO of CubeFree. I'm co-founder Thor Lee, senior product designer in CX team.
Once upon a time, people used to work on cubicles. Remember that? Guess what? 43% of the workforce will be remote in 3 years, and 72% feel unequipped. CubeFree is an app that is going to help you find great places to work, but not only that, it's going to help you connect with the right people.
Hey, Marta, how many pitches have our audience heard today?
Maybe 5, including the one that you just interrupted.
Why not give them a break and something fun?
Sounds great. Let's watch the movie together.
Let's go.
CubeFree. The world is your office. Meet your new coworkers. Home offices can be isolating, and cubicles are not always inspiring. Quickly find a new place to work with CubeFree, a hub that connects you to a world of work shifters while taking away the hassle of finding the perfect cafe. Wherever your work takes you, from New York to Shanghai, the app will help you find a workspace with reliable internet, ample power outlets, a low noise level, and easy parking. You'll be able to see where other mobile workers are in real time, including your coworkers and social media connections. Get a conversation started with a potential connection by offering a cup of coffee or sharing a table, or simply find a work buddy to keep an eye on your stuff in case you need to step away. In the hub, you'll also be able to try for free some other mobile-friendly tools, like GoToMeeting, GoToWebinar, Podio, ShareFile, and more. CubeFree, the easy access app that delivers everything you expect from an office, working for you wherever you are. Ditch the cube, grab a latte, and get down to business.
How's the idea? Wouldn't it be great to come true? This idea won the Innovation Challenge Prize in Citrix Engineer Conference and was selected into the program. Everyone has a dream. This program is a platform where we learn how to build up a successful business model for the dream.
But it's not only about the methodology. Our mentors in our teams are amazing. Just for you to have an idea, I was based in Fort Lauderdale and being able to watch the streaming video every Wednesday. Thanks to Chris and Anthony for that.
And entrepreneurs shouldn't be feel lonely. In this program, we meet junior engineer, designer, researcher, finance, sales, marketing expert, demo coach, and older instructor.
Hey, Thor, how much are they paying you for that?
Oh, let's talk about that offline.
So let me introduce our team. I'm Marta Guerra, the CIO of CubeFree. This is Thor Lee, our co-founder. Over there you see Chiara, our creative director. And we have a team in Brazil. Renato is our developer, and Irvin Suna, he's our web designer. Being part of innovation project and also do your daily job is really hard. You have more than 2,000 messages, emails coming every day, 14 hours a day.
Oh my God.
Half weekends for 12 weeks. Plus, I have a baby to take care of.
Marta is yours.
Oh, yes. And now we are very close to our beta version, and the MVP is available. It's going to be available in 2 weeks.
Yeah, and then we have 26 pilots and users, and then have 3 potential partners. The most important, we know how to carry on this project with the Lean Startup methodology.
So our demo is available. Chiara is going to do the demonstration for you. We would love to hear your feedback.
We are CubeFree.
I'm Marta Guerra.
I'm Thor Lee. Thank you.
Great job, guys. That's fantastic. Really enjoyed the video.
Thank you.
So, Marta, you just had that baby a few months ago, coming back and forth, East Coast, West Coast. It's just, I know, a tremendous amount of work, but you are a true entrepreneur. You told me the story when you interviewed for this process about selling sandals in Brazil and then Florida. So I knew we had a true entrepreneur here. And Thor, your overall design sense and all that has made this a very beautiful product.
Thank you.
Good. So questions from the panel?
Congrats, guys. I know that you've put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this, and it's great to see it live and that there's going to be a beta out there soon. So this has broad applicability to a whole host of people. So as you were doing your customer interviews, how did you decide who you wanted to target or segment it so you could learn as much as you could to influence your product?
One of the major of success for Citrix is the quality of the end user experience. So Kubernetes is designed for end user who work in mobile style. And we believe as we close to them and understand their behavior, we will make a better decision on products and user.
Any other questions from the panel?
How are you going to go about your beta? Are you going to start with the beta with Citrix and people who are working with Citrix, or are you going outside? And if so, we should be talking because Silicon Valley Bank has lots of people who like to work outside of an office.
There you go.
Our beta version is almost ready to go. We plan to submit to the Apple Store next week. We plan to use our internal channels to promote the application, but we're going public. It's not going to be just for internal Citrix employees and customers. So it'd be great to talk to you.
I'd also love to see it extend beyond cafes. As a mobile worker who spends a lot of time in airports, I'm always seeking that elusive jack so I can plug in my computer. So I can see some broader use cases for this as well.
Yes.
Great job.
Start for the beta. We'll start with cafes, co-working, and libraries as well.
Perfect. Any other questions? Perfect. So it's really gratifying for me as an internal team that you got a lot of value out of how to evaluate what customers and what different types of customers need to validate the business model and apply some. You did some, we couldn't talk about it here today, some really good math to how this could be impactful for Citrix. So again, thank you for your time and effort. I know it was a lot of work. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you. Marta, a little gift. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.